Hi, my name is Amea Freeman, and today we are going to talk about how to modify movements using a chair, specifically modifying a squat and a push-up. So I have my chair here with me today, and I'm going to show you just a couple of key things that you need to keep in mind when you are squatting in a chair. First and foremost, you want to stand in front of the chair with your heels flush against the legs of the chair, and then just kind of wiggle side to side so that you feel the backs of your legs touching the front legs of that chair. I'm going to hold my hands out just for balance, because typically if you're going to need that chair, you need a little extra balance. So the hands are out in front of you. Begin to bend your knees, taking your seat towards the seat of the chair. You can reach back till you find that seat and then lower yourself into the chair. Now on the return for standing, you want to step your feet out just slightly in front of those chair legs till there's a 90-degree in your knees. Taking those hands out again for balance and support, pushing your body weight into your heels. Begin to tip your chest forward, pushing off the seat and stand. Yes? Again, heels back against the legs. Let your legs feel the seat, feel the legs of the chair. Taking the hands out for balance, begin to lower your hips, reaching back towards the seat, down into the chair, stepping forward to that 90-degree angle, arms out in front, and you might feel a little bit of swing in your arms as you stand up. Using this same chair, we're going to look at how to modify a push-up. So I'm going to turn my chair just a tiny bit so you can see this angle. There's two different angles you could consider in modifying the chair based off of the angle of your feet from the hips down to the toes or even the heels, but you really want to pay attention to where your chest is going because it's a push-up. First things first, you want to make sure that your hands are placed on the seat of the chair, and you can allow your fingertips to kind of drape over the sides, and then you decide how confident and comfortable you are as how far back your feet are going to step so that there's a slight angle from your hips, but again, paying attention to your chest. The goal is to bend at the elbows, lowering your chest towards the seat of the chair, extending the arms to push away from the chair. The more confident you are, the further back you can step your feet. But that's not your goal. Like, your goal is not to see how far back your feet are. The goal is to bend the elbows, lowering the chest, and then extending the arms to come up. And then on the return, stepping forward and lifting up through your chest. I really hope that that helps you. I really hope that that allows you to feel successful in the work that you do with RevWell TV. We go into a little more details in that as through our instructor training to really help both the instructor and their participants feel confident in your movement. If you would like more free workouts like this or additional training, head over to revelationwellness.org, and we look forward to moving with you in the future.